Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Yeah, I think all the students you are fine. I am fine too. Who can tell teacher what day is it today? Today is Wednesday. What month is it? It's September. What is the date? The date is 9. What letter are on the top? TH are on the top. What year is it? It's 2020. Okay, now please read and spell with teacher. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September 9th, 2020. Jungle Phonics 1. Jungle Phonics 1. Okay, everyone. Every Wednesday, the first session, what will we learn about? Yeah, we will learn about Jungle Phonics 1. And the second session, we will learn about art for K1A. Okay, now please prepare your book that you have, course book and activity book. Another, you should have art book. Do you prepare on your table already? Another material. All the students, please prepare notebook, pencil, eraser, ruler, crayon or color pencil. Another, we should have small writing board and marker. Okay, do you prepare already? Please keep on your table. Okay, everyone. Who can tell teacher last week? What did you learn about Jungle Phonics 1? Yeah, we learned about unit 6. P, Q, O, letter Q. Who can tell teacher what sound like letter Q? Q, qu. Okay, now look at the whiteboard. Read you. Repeat after me. Read you. Queen. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Queen begin with letter Q. Sound qu. Queen. Quilt. Quilt. Q-U-I-L-T. Quilt. Quilt begin with letter Q. Sound qu. Quilt. Question. Question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Question. Question begin with letter Q. Okay, everyone. Now please take out your small writing board. Write capital Q and small q with teacher. Okay, now please write down. Please write capital Q. Capital Q start from the top. Curve left down and then curve right up, connect to the top, and then we put the leg at the right side here. You get capital Q. How about small q? Small q, we start from where? From the middle, curve left, and then we put our marker in the middle at the right side. From the middle to the bottom. You get small q. Okay? Everyone, please read with teacher. Capital Q, small q. Okay. Practice already? Now, please look at the whiteboard. We will continue our unit 6. Everyone, please read with teacher. Unit 6. Unit 6. P, Q, O. P, Q, O. Pages 62 and 63. Pages 62 and 63. Track 77. Track 77. Listen, point, and repeat. Capital O, small o. Capital O, small o. O. You see capital O, small o? Okay. Now I will show you about the letter O. Pizza. Okay, everyone, now please look at here. Listen and repeat after teacher. Capital O. Capital O. Capital O. Capital O, we have 3 steps to trace. You see? Here. Okay. Another. Please look at here. Small O. Repeat after teacher. Small O. Small O. Small O. Small O have 2 steps from the middle to the bottom and then put our hand here, curve right. Okay. Okay. Now you know about capital O, small O. Look at here. Who can tell teacher what sound or letter O? Yes, O, R. Sound or letter O, R. Okay. Before you listen to the track 77 and 78, chant along, please read with teacher. Capital O, small O, rabbit, O, robot, O, ring, O, rabbit, O, robot, ring. Okay. Do you know rabbit? Yeah, you know rabbit already. The rabbit is a kind of animal that have 4 legs. Okay. Have 2 arms and 2 legs. Have 2 ears, long ear. The rabbit like to eat carrots. How about robot? Do you like to play robot? Like that. Okay. It's a robot. How about ring? Do you like to wear the ring? I don't have ring. But I think all the students, you stay home, maybe you can wear a ring. Okay? You wear the ring in your finger. Ring finger. Okay? Can wear the ring. Okay? Now please listen. Before you listen, please open your book first. Open your book on page 62. It's here. Okay, page 62 together. Then it's here. Track 77, listen, point and repeat. After you listen to the track 77 already, you will listen to track 78. You will chant along. Okay, now please open your book. Listen, point and repeat. Point and repeat. Okay, now please listen.
Track 77. Listen, point, and repeat.
R, R.
R, R.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Robot.
Robot.
Ring.
Ring. Track 78. Chant along.
R, rabbit. Rabbit. R, robot. Robot. R, ring. Ring. Rabbit. Rabbit. Robot. Robot. Ring. Ring. Rabbit. Rabbit. Robot. Robot. Ring. Ring.
Okay, good. After you listen already, you know how to pronounce the capital O, small o, sound or letter O, or rabbit or robot or ring. And you can chant along. So happy, really. Now please look at here. I will show you how to trace and write capital O, small O. Okay, everyone. Now please take out your small writing board again. Okay. You will trace capital or small O with teacher. Okay. Now look at teacher. I will show you. On the plus card first. Capital O start from the top to the bottom. And then put your marker or your pencil on the top. Curve right, connect to the middle. And then move our hand from the middle to the right side down. One more time. Capital O start from the top to the bottom. And then put our marker on the top. Curve right, connect to the middle. And then move our hand from the middle to the right side down. To the right side down. Okay, you will get capital O. Okay, now look at the whiteboard. I will show you how to trace and write. You practice on the small writing board together. Okay? Capital O start from the top to the bottom. And then put our marker on the top. Curve right, connect to the middle. And after that, move our hand from the middle to the right side down. You get capital O. Now you trace already, please write. Capital O start from the top to the bottom. And then from the top, curve right, connect to the middle. And then move our hand from the middle to the right side down. You get capital O. Okay, now please practice on the small writing board with teacher. Capital O start from the top to the bottom. And then put on the top, curve right, connect to the middle. From the middle to the right side down. Okay, now you get capital O. Please say together, capital O. Capital O. Okay, now I will show you how to trace small O. Everyone is here on the plus card. Small O start from the middle to the bottom. And then put our marker in here, curve right. Curve right. One more time. Small O start from the middle to the bottom. And then put our marker in here, curve right. Okay? Now we will practice on the whiteboard together. Small O start from the middle to the bottom. And then you put your marker here, curve right here to the right side. Small O start from the middle to the bottom and then put our marker here, curve right. You see? Small O. Okay, now please practice on the small writing board with teacher. Small O start from the middle to the bottom. Okay, and then put our marker here, curve right. Like this, you will get small O. Okay, everyone? Small O. Please read with teacher. Capital O, small O. Okay, now please use your pencil to practice on your book on page 62 together. Everyone, trace and write. So, you trace capital O and then you write down capital O, capital O, capital O. After that, you trace small O. And then you write small O, small O, small O, small O. Okay? Please practice. Okay, everyone. After you finish on page 62 already, now we can move to page 63. Please repeat after teacher together. Circle, circle, the, or, words, words. Circle, the, or, words. Then, write, capital O, small o. Then, write capital O, small o. Okay, now please read with teacher. Robot, robot. Quill, quill. Queen, queen. Rabbit, rabbit. Ring, ring. Penguin, penguin, penguin. Okay, now I ask all the students use your pencil. Here, use your pencil to circle the all word, the all word. So, quill begin with letter Q. Queen begin with letter Q. Rabbit begin with letter O. So we circle rabbit. Ring, ring, ring. Ring begin with letter O. So we circle ring. Penguin, penguin, penguin. So begin with letter P. Sound P. You circle or not? No. Robot, robot. Robot begin with letter O. So we circle robot. After you circle the all words already, please write down capital O, small o in this box. Okay, now please practice. Okay, everyone, I give you one example in here. So when the word begin with letter O sound r, you circle like this. Okay. How about the other? Please circle by yourself. And then you write what? Capital O in here. Small o. Okay. So, two more. You want me to circle for you? Okay, now we check together. Yeah, it's here. Rabbit and ring. Okay, everyone. After you practice already, now please look at here. You will listen to the track 79. Now please repeat after teacher. Track 79. Track 79. Listen, listen, and circle, circle. You see number 1, you see capital O, capital Q. Number 2, capital P, capital O. Number 3, small q, small o. Number 4, small o, small p. Okay. Now please open your book on page 63 again. Listen and circle. Track 79. So use your pencil. You will listen. Number 1, what did you hear? Example, the word that they pronounce rabbit. So you will circle capital, capital O. But if they pronounce quill or queen, so we will begin with letter Q. So we will circle letter Q. Okay, now please listen.
Track 79. Listen and circle.
1. Queen, queen. 2. Robot, robot. 3. Rabbit, rabbit. 4. Panda, panda.
Okay, good. After you listen already, who can tell teacher? Number 1, what did you hear? Yeah, queen. So queen begin letter Q. These are called letter Q. How about number 2? What did you hear? How about number 2? What did you hear? Yes, robot. Robot begin with letter O. So we shall call letter O. How about number 3? What did you hear? Yes, rabbit. Rabbit. So begin with letter O. We shall call small O. The last one, number 4. What did you hear? Yeah, panda. Panda. Panda begin with letter P. We shall call small p. Okay. Everyone, did you practice already? Please tell teacher. What did you learn about the first session here? Yeah, we learned about capital O, small o, sound r. Or rabbit, or robot, or ring. You know how to trace, how to write capital O, small o, and the word that begin with letter O. Okay, now time's up. Goodbye everyone. See you next session. Bye bye.